Today I'm sharing a refreshing and super effective DIY skincare treat. An ice facial using natural ingredients. We are going to take nutrient packed juices, freeze them and use them as an ice roller for a quick cooling facial that will wake up your skin and give it an instant glow. I will show you which ingredient works best for different skin benefits and how to make these ice rollers right at home. If you are ready to give your skin a natural and icy boost, let's get started. To make ice rolling interesting, rather than just using water, I have created 3 recipes to make ice rolling fun with the benefits of skin-loving ingredients. You can use ice roller to deeper face, eyes, improve blood circulation, to add natural glow and minimize the appearance of pores. So let's see the recipes. Add 5 pieces of mango to a mixer jar. Add a glass of water. Grind it to a smooth paste. I am pouring the mango juice into the ice roller. Freeze it for 4 hours. Next, we will make butterfly blue pea tea. For this, I have taken 10 to 12 dried butterfly blue pea flower. I will leave the Amazon link in the description box. Add a cup of hot water. Let them steep for about 5 to 10 minutes until the water turns a deep blue color. For a fun twist, add a few drops of lemon juice. This will change the color of the tea from blue to purple due to the change in pH. Strain the flowers. Now add the liquid to the ice roller. For the last recipe, take 1 tomato and cut it into 4 pieces. Put in a mixer jar. Add half a glass of water and grind it. Add the mixture to ice roller. Chia seeds enhances collagen production. It is anti-aging and it works like ceramides for skin. It gives deep hydration throughout the day. Chia seeds are rich in water-soluble fiber thus keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. For the ingredients, you will need chia seeds or sabja seeds, a glass of purified water, an ice roller. Let's see how to prepare this. Add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds to a glass of water. Chia seeds contain 9 amino acids including collagen. Chia seeds strengthens the skin's natural barrier like a ceramide cream. Leave the water untouched for 5 minutes so that the chia seeds expands its size. Transfer the mixture to the ice roller. Freeze it for 4 hours. In the morning after cleansing your face, start using the ice roller. Massage face with ice roller in small circular motions with a gap of 30 seconds in between. It contours and sculpts your face. It adds radiance to your skin. Chia seeds are rich in water-soluble fiber, thus keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. I hope you loved learning this refreshing way to naturally pamper your skin. It is a perfect pick-me-up anytime whenever your skin needs a glow or a cool down. If you tried this, let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. Do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, next time, take care.